Most of us have had a broken bike sometimes in our lives. Strangely, few are motivated to fix it and instead turn to other means of transportation. This has now changed. With Fixi, a car comes to your chosen destination, picks up your broken bike, drives it to a repair shop, and as soon as the bike is repaired, Fixi drops it off wherever you want it. As good as new. Simple, isn't it? And this is just Fixi Repair. You can also rent a bike with Fixi Subscription, a service that solves all the hassle with owning your own bicycle. You just choose a bike and a price plan, then Fixi delivers the bike. And of course, services and repairs are included during the rental period. But there's more. We also offer Fixi Marketplace, your local bicycle supplier, online. There, you can find new and used bicycles, as well as all the accessories you need. It's like Amazon, but for bikes. So, to put it simply, we've gathered and digitalized everything in the biking ecosystem to offer the consumer a one-stop shop for all their bicycle needs. One of the most sustainable means of transport, growing every day.